guys. Future editor Brandon here. Just wanted to kind of step in and say thanks for watching. This is a very new style of content for me. I've been doing gaming videos, Twitch streams, those kinds of things for the last almost 10 years. So moving on to a different style of content is kind of a big step. If this is something that you enjoy, feel free to stick around. Otherwise, I've got links to the other projects that I've worked on my channel up in the banner, so feel free to check those out if you're interested. Otherwise, I do plan on making some changes to the quality just from what I've seen in this video while editing. I've noticed some settings that I need to change on the camera that didn't quite carry over. I need to work on stabilization, audio quality, things like that. But taking it one step at a time. This was a great test video. So if you want to see more, stick around. I've got plenty on the way. And yeah, enjoy. What you just saw was the first ride home from Best Buy, picking up some equipment for the GoPro. Got a handlebar mount, got a chest mount. Don't know how long that battery is going to last on the GoPro, just because it's a Hero 5, but that's kind of besides the point. We just got done with the first ride after installing the TBR. Really happy with the way that it sounds. Don't let videos, whether it's from me or somebody else, change your mind on the TBR system. I saw a lot of people getting the black powder coated version. I just came from a different bike that also had the same thing. It was white. Lost that bike, so I felt like this was a good way for pay patronage to that thing. So, you know, it's I think it looks good against the white. I had a very similar color scheme on the other bike, but I'm really happy with it. I think in the long term, I will probably be replacing these medallions. Harley makes a few. They're nice brushed aluminum, I think. It should match pretty nicely. So yeah, that was the first ride home, really, with the Sportster S and the TBR Comp S. So I'm gonna take this footage, get it edited, and upload it as soon as I possibly can. If you guys like this, I plan on doing quite a bit more. why I went and picked up camera equipment, and hopefully quality is good enough for you guys. So if you like it, like and subscribe. I'll be doing plenty more.